Hey y'all, it's Joey.
And Jamie.
And we're so happy that you found our channel. We are at Disney World today for our first vlog from Disney.
And we are so excited to be at Disney.
We're very excited. We're going to try to do all 4 parks today. We left Jacksonville pretty early this morning, got here fairly quickly. We're going to start with Hollywood Studios, which is personally my favorite park. Tower of Terror is the best ride at Disney. And we're going to eat some snacks. I know we try to eat healthy during the week, but Disney calories don't count, so.
And this particular weekend, it does appear to be pretty crowded, so we're not sure exactly the direction that it's going to take, but we're going to make it a fun day.
Awesome. So we hope that you'll join us for this and enjoy.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yep. See you guys during the day. Bye. Cool. All right, guys, we're in Hollywood Studios. It's actually pretty chilly out right now, so we really do like it.
And since it's early, the crowds aren't too terrible. But first things first, we gotta go get a coffee.
Joffrey's coffee is the best coffee. Luckily, the line doesn't look too terribly long right now. We like to go to the Joffrey's right outside of Toy Story Land to start the day. So we're gonna get some coffee.
Check back in.
Yep, even though it's cold outside, I think I might get a nice coffee.
Oh, goodness.
What can I say? Only at Disney can you have a donut for breakfast. So we got a donut from Joffrey's. We got the Oreo, and it is going to be absolutely delicious. It's so big. Jamie and I are going to split it.
I already stole a bite.
I got a shaken Jamaican coffee. I told you I was going to get a cold brew, even though it is cold outside, so.
I decided to join them. I did a frozen cappuccino, and just like we told you, they do have the agave straws here, so follow along.
It's really good. Help. Jamie's going into the Pandora shop. Pray for our bank account. Okay, insert foot in mouth. I said that Jamie would find something, but we have been waiting on a Tower of Terror Pandora bracelet since I started Jamie's bracelet about 4 years ago. So pretty excited. This is the one we got. Unfortunately, Jamie didn't wear a bracelet today, so we'll have to wait till we get home to see how it looks.
Orthopedic.
Alright guys, we got our caffeine in us, we're a little bit more awake. The first ride we're going to go ride is Rock and Roller Coaster. It's about a 70-minute wait right now, but it is closing for refurbishment on February 20th, so...
It won't open until summer of 2023.
Yeah.
23, or so they say.
So they say, midsummer. But it could be like Tron, you never know. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and ride that. We want to get out of the way just in case we are...
We'll take you with us.
Yeah.
Okay, since it was going to be the last time for a while, I made myself a promise and kept my eyes open the whole time. I never do that.
She held her eyes open while we went upside down. That's pretty good. So we got lucky. The posted wait time was 70 minutes, but we waited about 30. And while we were in line, the wait time on the app actually dropped to 40. So don't always let wait time scare you. Just hop in line and you might get lucky like we did.
So now we figured we're going to take you over to Star Wars Land and we're going to go see what snacks we can find.
Galaxy's Edge. Alright, the line for Rise of the Resistance is extremely long right now, so that means only one word.
Snacks.
Snacks on snacks on snacks. Alright guys, we got ourselves some popcorn from Galaxy's Edge, and we're going to give it a try. Fun fact, this is the Outpost mix, but if you get the normal popcorn, it's blue, you can use it as a refill, but only that one. So
on that popcorn bucket we were showing you guys in our what to bring video.
Yep, so we're about to try this Outpost mix.
Now, they say that this is a blend of savory and sweet. We've never tried it before. They say it tastes like Fruity Pebbles. We'll tell you what we think.
So let's give it a try.
Wow. It really does taste like
It
Fruity
does taste like Fruity
Pebbles.
Pebbles.
So try it if you come to Galaxy's Edge and let us know what you think.
We definitely like it.
All right, easy does it. Come forward. We have eyes on you. Right there. Proceed with
Good.
All right, so let's get a little bit to where it's not quite. This,
Better?
this might be a little bit better.
Better?
Oh yeah, it's a little bit better. All right, so it might not be a popular opinion, but we really do like the blue milk.
And it matches my outfit today.
It does. Jamie went with a Cheshire Cat look today, so I don't know.
Oh yeah.
You can see that. So we're gonna get this blue milk, and we're gonna go wait in line for Minnie and Mickey's Runaway. Is it Mickey and Minnie or Mickey and
so.
Minnie's? Yeah, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. That's a tongue twister. And then we're gonna hop in the car
And head to another park.
head to the park. Thank you.
Okay, so Joey loves a chocolate chip cookie, and they say that this one is the best on property. So let's see what we think.
And which cookie is that?
This is the Jack Num Num cookie.
Oh, you're gonna try it first. Okay.
It's served warm.
So the cookie is very good.
Coming from a chocolate cookie connoisseur.
Yeah, I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
Ooh, pretty high ratings.
Yep, and Jamie just pointed something out to me.
Only in Disney are you gonna eat milk and
And
cookies.
cookies. But-
Disney style.
Yeah. So we waited about 2 hours on a posted 70-minute wait time. Still worth it. We love Mickey and Minnie's Runaway. But now it's 2 o'clock, so park hopping has officially begun. And our first stop is going to be Animal Kingdom for some lunch. And then we're going to go to Epcot, and we're going to end the night at Magic Kingdom.
Can't wait. Pretty quick.
So one downside to come in to the park later in the day is you have to walk.
in Timbuktu.
And what? You have to park where?
Timbuktu.
Timbuktu. Alrighty guys, so we just ate lunch at Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
We're about to go ride
Expedition Everest.
Expedition Everest, but first, we're about to go see the otters behind us. Hey Jamie, what are otters to us?
Our relationship mascot.
Our relationship mascot.
Look how cute they are.
Yeah. Because I love you like no otter.
You're utterly out of this world.
Hey, I wonder if they're getting parts of their spaceship
So that he can go to Otter's base.
so they can go to outer space.
Bye, Otters.
Bye.
Guess what I decided? That after the Expedition Everest, I can get my ice cream because I can eat it the whole way out of the park and in the car on the way to Epcot.
Oh, is that so?
Yep. I completely figured that one out. Well, if I get the vanilla, maybe you'll help me eat it this time.
What's that?
I said if I get the vanilla, maybe you'll help me eat it this time.
So what is that?
This is the Yeti Sundae with chocolate, vanilla, and blue sprinkles.
Go ahead and take a bite. How is it?
Hey y'all, so we just finished at Animal Kingdom and we are headed to the Ticket and Transportation Center because we had the good idea to go ahead and park the car for the rest of the evening, and we are going to take the monorail to Epcot and then of course finish the night in Magic Kingdom. So it's been quite the day, definitely getting back our Disney legs, and it's been such a wonderful Saturday with great weather, so it's been fun.
Lalu berdirilah ini. Karena kemudian kita berhasil
There are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are...
Welcome, 1936 Olympic hero Jeff Cohen, winner of 4 gold medals in Berlin. The world's unbreakable pauses to congratulate this inspirational athlete.
Well, all right, guys, we just rode Spaceship Earth, so we've done 3 of the 4 parks. We've done 3 of the 4 parks, and now we are going to run to Magic Kingdom to finish our night off.
Our plans are loftier than we think.
Alright guys, well, we made it to Magic Kingdom, we got our picture, and we are worn the slap out. So we knew that the Walt Disney train was open, and we went to go ride it, but they had closed it for the night.
So we feel like it was our sign.
It was our sign, so we're gonna grab some snack popcorn and head home.
And we'll save an exclusive Magic Kingdom only video for another time.
But we did get Casey's Corner, and we did get our picture taken. So technically,
all in all, it was still a success. We have visited all 4 parks.
we'll see you guys next time, and we hope you enjoyed the video.